What we got?
I'm here.
I really think you should be cheap. Instead of copping, please just freeze. Maintain the focus.
I got more, right?
We can hear him go everywhere. Fucking on these
We got one more. I play that jumper, right? Come on, if I hit it, I got it.
Time for new flavor, yeah. I'm kicking new flavor, yeah. Brand new flavor, yeah.
We got third. That's right, Mike. He has to give you that same ball as a strike now.
That's a good thing none of us are 6'4".
Come on, Mel.
Niggas creep up on your ass. Live niggas respect you.
Stop.
Flow for you. Kick down doors for you. Even up all my motherfucking hoes for you. Niggas think funky pussy whip. Nigga picture that. Nigga Kodak. It's the Mac Pack. We don't get down like that.
There you go, Josh. Do your job. Nothing more, nothing less. Your job.
Sweetness, when you pump that. Petiteness, fuck that ass fat. She got a body, make a nigga wanna eat that. Fucking with you. The pussy though. It's harder than the missy, yo. Father hit it with you, tripping, disappearing like a Finio. Yo, I get just a double low with the 5 in front. Probably a canal in front. I drive in front. I'ma deal with her. Trying to deal with her. Fuck around and steal. Then we all get laid. Television, the faction heaven. When I'm in them, the 60 kick. All the 60 kick. She get hit from a player off the New York Knicks. Nigga trick with dick, you know. That shit was flood. She touched the lead truck. Like she was in the rust. He fucking his bed. White things with us. I'm in his ass while he's playing.
Yeah, boy, Josh. Hey, take two. He got you. Take two, yep. Hey, right there on the bag. Yes. Attaboy, Josh. Yes. That's the boy.
I'm up in this crowd, I know she don't like this. So I'm like, bitch, you better talk to him before the shit put a stop to him. Fuck around,
They're gonna hit him.
talk to him, put a part to him, lose and make a part to him. Man, she begging me to stop, but the cat getting closer, getting hot like a toaster, a cop toast, Before my eyes to blink, she screams out, honey, bring me up something to drink. He goes back downstairs, no time to think, a brain waster.
It's out. Oh, wait.
But I can and I will go. I'm trying to go. Even though the situation looking kind of ill, yo. It came to me like a song I wrote.
Yo, like I said, Tom, let's go, baby. Nobody better.
Nigga coming off some love close like this. Flash the heat on him. He stood emotionless like a glass screamer. Don't blast. 50 fast. 100 fast. Just don't shoot my ass, please. Nigga pulling mad shoes out the floor. Put stacks in the front of that sack. Hit the door. Grab the keys. Put the 5 for my niggas on the cell. Bring some weed. I got a story to tell.
Oh, fuck! Yo, that's drop it.
Back! Hey, we got 6-3, right? 6-3 score. We got it, right? Yo, it's 6-3.
I know I am. I know I am.
They only have 2 and
You got your glove?
Win scored on that bullshit. Win has scored on that other bullshit. 6-3. We ain't do this. Get out of here. We ain't do it great.
Damn.
Snoop Doggy Dogg and Dr. Dre is at the door. Nigga making entrance, so back on up. Cause you know about to rip shit up. Give me the microphone first so I can bust like a bubble. Compton and Long Beach together, now you know you're in trouble. Ain't nothing but a G-Bang. Too low death niggas over things. Death Row is the label that pays now. Unfadable, complete gon' try to fake this. But I'm back to the lecture at hand. Perfection is perfected, so my let them understand. From the young G's perspective, and before we dig a picture,
I got it.
And at the same time, man, you know I ain't with that shit. Ain't no pussy good enough to get behind. And that's real.
Dude, I'm looking at
Go ahead.
You doing it, you doing it.
Yo, call it before we have another collision.
Yes, yes. We got David. Who please do? Yeah, the perfect weight for me. You never for somebody else. David's waiting for the picture to deliver.
Go down.
Same weight, same height.
Way to go, David! Beautiful pitch ahead of him. That cat is good. It's made with Goya. If it's Goya, gotta be good, they said. We got Ray Russ. Ray got the chances to lose one out. It was Daddy's one out. Wow, he does put it in the air, but the Melvin is there. Catches for the second out. 2 down.
Four fellas.
Hey.
Go, Ali. Ali comes around for another chance to redeem herself. These guys tricked me, Josh. Cara, yo pensé que Josh was gonna catch it and make it like that.
John called it.
Huh?
John called it.
Yeah, he faked me. Fake.